excited today because I'm going to draw a cute dancing pizza. This one is especially for Isabel as she has requested a piece of pizza and I think it's a great idea. So let's get started. First, what we're going to do is draw the top part of the pizza. We're going to make him sort of on an angle here. So we're going to just come straight up like that. Then what we're going to do is each side we're going to bring down as a triangle. Join them up. Then what we're going to do is do some little wavy lines like that, and that's for the cheese. Next, what I'm going to do is some pepperoni. I love pepperoni pizza. I'm going to do some pieces like that, and then I might do another one in here, just like that. Next, what we're going to do is his eyes. 1, 2. You can do reflection dots, you don't have to if you don't want to. And then I'm going to draw a big smiley face today because I think he's super happy. Next, what I'm going to do is some arms and legs. So let's do one leg here with some toes, and then I'm going to do his other leg just like that. Bend his leg up. Then with this one, I'm going to do 2 lines like that, and then him saying hi. This one, I'm going to bend his arm the other way. He is so super cute. Next, what I'm going to do is color this guy in. I'm going to fast forward this bit, so please pause the video if you need some more time or to add some extra detail, and I'll see you back soon. I hope you have all enjoyed coloring in your amazing pizza. I love pizza. It's time to add some magic detail. I've got my glitter glue here. I'm going to put some glitter glue on the pepperoni because why not? Squirt some on there. You can use a finger or you can use a earbud, Q-tip, whatever you like to add your glitter onto this amazing pepperoni. Oh, check this out. This guy looks pretty cool. Amazing. I hope you've enjoyed drawing your piece of pizza today. Happy drawing, everybody. Please like, subscribe. I will see you all soon. Bye.